Today we are discussing about Thevenin's theorem. So first of all we have to know what is the importance of Thevenin's theorem before going to discuss about this theorem. While the complicated circuits used in the electrical circuits for designing, if we want to calculate the response of current or voltage or power, whatever it may be, across any element or through the element, it is very simple to calculate the values of these responses through or across any element using this theorem. This theorem states that for any complicated or electrical circuit or the network, it can be replaced by a simple voltage source V Thevenin in series with a resistance R Thevenin by keeping the load resistances same across AB terminals. So it is very easy to calculate the value of load current through a load resistance. IL equals to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL. That means the complicated circuit is replaced by this combination V Thevenin and R Thevenin. Now how to replace this complicated circuit by V Thevenin and R Thevenin in series and replacing the load terminals AB as it is, that we will see now. Let us suppose I have a simple source voltage Vs connected to a circuit R1 and R2, and the load at which we have to calculate the response is said to be RL. Suppose I have a simple circuit like this. I need to calculate the current IL, or else the voltage across this load VL, or else the total power of resistor RL. So I need to take this value of resistor at which we have to calculate the total value of current, voltage or power as load terminals, that I have mentioned AB terminals at this RL resistance. So now we have to take this load terminals as it is and keep aside, and the remaining part we have to simplify. That means first step is to open circuit the load terminals, that is this AB terminals. If we open circuit this, we will get the voltage across this R2 is VAB or VOC also, open circuit voltage, which is equals to VAB. This voltage across this R2 we have to calculate, that is VOC or VAB, which is also called as Thevenin's voltage. V Thevenin equals to, using voltage division already we have, so that is Vs into R2 by R1 plus R2. This is Thevenin's voltage value. Suppose if I replace this here 2 ohms, here 2 ohms, then this is 10 volts. If I place the values of Vs R1 R2, 2 by 2 plus 2, that is 1 by 2, that is 5 volts is the Thevenin's voltage. So I can replace this Thevenin's voltage as 5 volts. This is Thevenin's voltage V Thevenin of 5 volts. And next we have to calculate R Thevenin, and we will as it is replace the load terminals AB, that is RL. So R Thevenin will be calculated as by short circuiting the voltage sources, open circuiting the current sources, and load terminals are ignored. We will calculate the total value of resistance looking into AB terminals, that is this R1 and R2. While short circuiting this voltage source are observed as this is AB terminals. Already there is a RL resistance, but it is ignored, that's it, it is not open circuited. So this R1 R2 are said to be in parallel combination. Why? Because one end of 1, second end of 2 are connected in parallel. So R Thevenin is equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, 1 ohm resistance. So this is R Thevenin, 1 ohm. Now we have to calculate the current through load resistor. IL equals to V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL. So that means IL equals to V Thevenin is 5 volts already calculated, by R Thevenin is 1 ohm plus RL value of resistance I will give 2 ohms. So that is 2 ohms, 5 by 3. That means 3 ones 3 and 3 6, like 1.66 amperes. And next, if we want to calculate voltage, across RL. VL equals to IL into RL. IL is 1.6, RL is 2. 2, 6, 12, 3.2 volts. Next, if we want to calculate power, P we know IL square RL formula, or VL square by RL also. So IL square is 1.6 amperes square into RL is 2. That is 1.6 into 1.6 into 2. So answer is 1.6 into 1.6 into 2 becomes 5.12 watts.